Hi guys, in this quick tutorial I'm gonna show you how you can synchronize your internal audio recorded into your camera with external audio recording recorded on external device like this Tascam DR07X in DaVinci Resolve. So let's do it! Okay guys, in DaVinci Resolve I have already imported my two files that I'm going to need. Here is my video file and here is my audio file. Here you can see my video file, including my audio file that I have recorded into my camera, and as you probably know, it is not high quality audio. Hi guys, in this quick tutorial I'm gonna show you how you can synchronize your internal audio recorded into your camera. And what I want to do is to replace low quality audio with high quality audio that I recorded on my external audio recorder. But first and foremost, we need to synchronize these two audio files together so that they match with the video. So I will demonstrate two ways how to synchronize audio files using waveform. So in the first case, I simply move the audio file to the audio track number 2. Like this. But as you assume, these two audio files are not synchronized together. Hi guys, in this tutorial I'm gonna show you how you can synchronize your internal audio. So it's a little bit mess and I need to fix this. But before I do anything else, I just want to remind you that at the beginning of the video I clapped twice. And this causes these sharp peaks to appear, and these peaks can actually simplify synchronization by using manual method or with a synchronization tool. Manually you can simply drag the first track and to drag it right where these two peaks appear. Hi guys, in this quick tutorial. And it seems like these two tracks are synchronized. But since the manual method may not always be accurate, we synchronize the audio by selecting both files like this, right click, and select Auto Align Clips. We will synchronize these two files using our waveform and simply click on Sync. Now DaVinci Resolve is processing our two files. Okay, seems like DaVinci Resolve has already done its work, and what I do before I start reviewing the video, I'm going to mute the track number 1, which is the low quality audio, so that I can hear only the high quality audio. Okay? Hi guys, in this quick tutorial I'm gonna show you how you can synchronize your internal. Okay, it seems like DaVinci did a pretty good job. And now what I like to do is to move the better quality audio and to drag it onto the first track. Don't forget to unmute the track so that you can hear the audio. Now what you gotta do is to cut off the parts of the audio you don't need, which is at the end of the video, and simply cut it out. Okay guys, that's all for today, and thank you for watching. If you want to explore more of your possibilities in DaVinci Resolve, follow my channel and we will see each other next time.